Welcome to AI Traders live market analysis using artificial intelligence to find high probability trades. AI Traders live market artificial intelligence training. Here's a brief disclaimer. I'm Richard Miller. I'll be presenting today's AI Traders Live show. Here's my contact details. We'll be focusing on the Dow Jones 30 Index constituents. There's quite a lot of nice trade ideas coming out of that. We're using 4 AI engines: major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. Now, these 4 AI trading strategies cater for various type trading styles, whether you're a swing trader or a position trader. Major market reversals will work well for holding periods of a couple of days to weeks to months. Classic swing trades for a couple of weeks as well. Volatility breakouts, quick moves as well, and then quick 3-day moves in day 1 and out on the 3rd and 4th day. So all these cater for different type trading styles. Just to recap, the AI does 10 to the power of 200 different possible market combination indicators relationships using genetic algorithms. Let's jump straight into the MetaStock platform, going to screen the Dow Jones 30 Index constituents. Jumping straight into the MetaStock platform, I've got the Fulgent AI engine selected. Run the scan. Took about 1 minute and 45 seconds for the AI to identify the latest, hottest trade ideas. Also, a review of the trades that the AI is in for a while. Now, the AI engine that we use has been retrained on the Dow stocks. So we've got a major market reversal AI strategy, which is 72% accurate on average, with an average profit per trade of 7%. The swing trade strategy on the Dow stocks is 71% accurate, with an average profit per trade of 4%. The volatility breakout strategy is 54% accurate, with 2.2% average profit per trade. It's both for longs and shorts. And the quick 3-day move, which is a fantastic swing trade strategy, is 66% accurate, with 1.6% average profit per trade. Now, this swing trade strategy only in for a trade for 3 to 4 days. So you can imagine. Now, it's very good trading statistics considering this is the average profit per trade over absolutely thousands of trades during the testing period. So the AI, this is high probability trades, high probability AI trading strategies. In view of the recent price correction we've had in the Dow, there's quite a lot of new trades on. The AI is currently in 24 trades, mostly long. You can see there's a 1 in the long column, so there's only longs at the moment, no shorts. And there's 6 rejects. These were normal filter rejection, where the AI is either it's the instrument, the stock has hit its trading stop loss or profit target, so the AI is out of those. So we're going to review the most recent ones. Sort the columns by bars, tells you how old the trades are. So we'll start with the most recent ones and work our way through to the older ones to give an idea how successful the AI is. We can see here the accuracy. These are 73%, 65% accuracy in terms of the AI signal. So it's quite, we are trading looking only for high probability trade ideas using the AI. So let's jump straight into the first couple of names. I've got AMGN here. Johnson & Johnson is next, United Health, 3M Company, Apple is also one we'll review, Boeing is another one, Caterpillar, Goldman Sachs Group, and then there's a few others. We'll go through the rest of the list. So these are some of the most recent trades. We'll go through the ones that's got all the most recent trades, such as Microsoft, Nike, Walgreens, Walmart, Cisco. These are all 1 day into a trade. Walgreens also 1 day into a trade. Honeywell there. Walmart as well. So we'll stick with the ones that's all 1 day into a trade for the purposes of this episode of AI Traders Live. AMGN's latest signal is a quick move. So this is a swing trade in on the day after the signal, out on the 3rd or 4th day. So the upside resistance targets for this trade would be this 220 zone and this old higher. So that's kind of the upside profit potential we're looking for on AMGN. Next up, Johnson & Johnson. If we look there, quick move to the upside. This is another swing trade, quick move. Now this one, the stop loss is not really indicated yet, but I suspect it would be around about the 160 level. And then your upside resistance targets would be these old highs here, but that key support level that was broken over there, as well as this one here. So we're going to see if it keeps breaking past that old support level it's a resistance zone. So this quick move, so I do like to see this price break past this level today, and then the upside target would be this level here of 172 from a profit target basis, and then the second target would be the ultimate high here. But that's the kind of the swing trade. So the stock is actually somewhat in a long-term base formation, if you want to look at it from that pattern perspective, with potential upside potential to the 172 zone for Johnson & Johnson. Right, next up, United Health. We maximize that. Quick move to the upside. You can see this fantastic, historically fantastic volatility breakout swing move captured most of that move. So you were long United Health for the entire period of last year. Also a nice move up. Now it's moving sideways, very choppy in trade now, so it's quite a lot of volatility in the stock now, but we have a quick move on it, and let me just zoom in, with upside risk, well, upside potential to these old highs. That would be a profit target, and the quick move stop loss would be around about just below there. That's the stop loss level for United Health. Okay. Next up, the next one there, 3M, volatility breakout. We've got a trailing stop loss there, just between 175 and 170, and then your upside profit target would be that first level of support that was broken, as well as the old next level of support has been broken. So two trades on. First one profit target would be 185, second one profit target would be 193 if it manages to break past that resistance zone. But a volatility breakout for 3M company using the AI. Right, so we've got 3M. Apple's next. Apple, lovely swing trade here in May, June, July worked out well. You can see quite a lot of swing trades working out well. Apple's been very, very popular for trading. Major market reversal captured most of that move. So we have a quick move on Apple. So a quick move to the upside. Trading stop loss is now at 136. And your profit target in this one would be the first level of resistance. So I would say the old high would be the ultimate profit target for this quick move, but a quick move is only a 3 to 4 day trading strategy, so I think it'll be an easy rally up until about the 150 zone, and then we need to see if it's going to continue that move to get past that resistance level now. But so far so good. A quick move on Apple, also another fantastic trade. Goldman Sachs Group is next. Quick move on Goldman Sachs. You can see the AIs generate absolutely fantastic returns on Goldman Sachs here. November, December rally, February, March rally, May rally, swing trade. Captured all the major rallies over the last couple of months, the last 12 to 18 months on Goldman Sachs Group. So absolutely fantastic using the AI to trade it. Now if we zoom in, we can see it's got a very wide stop loss. That's quite interesting. It's expecting more volatility. Now the upside target, the first resistance zone would be that level there, those lows, and then your ultimate upside target would be that cluster of resistance, those old highs there. So your profit target is the first level is the 391 zone, and then the next one would be 415 and 420. So for this quick move, so 3-4 days up into that zone will be the profit target on Goldman Sachs, for example. Okay, so we've got Goldman's. Honeywell, there we go. Also sideways moving, lots of volatility breakouts here. It's difficult to trade sideways moving stocks, but you can see the AIs generate some fantastic trades historically. April, May caught all the moves up, and now we've got a new volatility breakout here. Trading stop here is at roughly 210, and then the old highs here would be your resistance zone. So it'll be interesting to see if we're going to get this move. So from in and around the current levels of 217 to 235, that's the upside profit target. So we're also trading this at the bottom end of the base. So we expect this kind of move to go to continue at this end of the chart. So far so good. Fantastic trades on Honeywell. Next up is Microsoft. You can see the AI did capture all the major moves. Volatility breakout, swing trade back here, volatility breakout there. Another one caught that move, and the last volatility breakout went in from 245 all the way up to 300. So it's an absolutely fantastic trade on that side. We now have a quick move in it, and the AI's got a trailing stop loss here of 285. And then your upside profit target would be these old highs. So that's the kind of move we anticipate in Microsoft. But so far, so good. Absolutely fantastic. Caught this move here in June, July, and August with the artificial intelligence engine. So the AI does generate some fantastic trades on Microsoft. Incidentally, on average, the Microsoft trades are all 73% accurate on average. Then Nike's the next one. We can see a huge volatility breakout. Literally caught that move back in June, yeah, before the big gap up, and then that swing trade there got stopped out. Now we've got a new quick move to the upside. There's a trading stop just between 150 and 145, and these old highs would be the resistance levels. I would say that would be the first zone to look out for, that kind of zone, and then that one would be the next one. So these are the upside potential targets, 165, 170 for this quick move. But absolutely fantastic trades historically. Look at that phenomenal move, March, April, May, June, July, entire year. Got in at around 65 and then out here around 140, 135. So an absolutely fantastic return using artificial intelligence to trade Nike, for example. Walgreen Boots is the next one. You can see caught most of the rally to the upside, volatility breakout. A few got stopped out with the recent volatility. We now have a quick move to the upside. 46, roughly 46 is the trading stop loss there, with these old highs as the resistance zone for Walgreen Boots. So keep an eye on that one. So absolutely fantastic using the artificial intelligence engine on a quick move and a swing trade in Walgreens. Next up is Boeing. Quick move to the upside. Not very fond of airlines particularly, but if the AI says time to swing trade it, then why not? Your first level of resistance would be that level there, just under the 225 zone, and then the old highs here, that would be the other resistance zone. So that's the quick move. An easy ride up until about 222, and then that 240 ride will take a little bit more gusto to get there. The AI did capture some really nice move. You had to be patient. A lot of them were sideways moving and then goes a step up. So you can be aware of that. The AI did adjust the stop loss accordingly. But Boeing, a nice little swing trade there. It's a short-term swing trade, not a particular position trade, for example. Caterpillar, we still have to cover Caterpillar. Look at this fantastic run-up, the major market reversal, volatility breakout here, caught most of this move. A few times got stopped out to the downside there with the COVID pandemic. And now sideways moving, very choppy volatility breakout. You had to be pretty tight with your stop losses on this one. And now we have a new swing trade quick move from current levels. Let me zoom in. Up until about the close, for that gap to close, a quick move, do expect that, and then this zone, yeah, that zone there would be your first level of resistance. So a quick move for Caterpillar to close the gap back down to 200 and 205 on Caterpillar. So that's in essence how we screen and identify high probability trading ideas in the Dow 30 index constituents using artificial intelligence. If any traders wants to get their hands on having your own artificial intelligence engine, go to metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. We've got a fantastic buy 3 months for the price of one deal on at the moment, and you can try it out and see if the artificial intelligence engine fits your trading style. metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. This is what the landing page looked like. We've got a 3 months for the price of one deal. Whether you're taking the artificial intelligence engine on a end of day basis, the side, or the real time, if you do high frequency intraday trading, we've got two options for the buy 3 months for the price of one deal on MetaStock platform. And that brings us to the end of this edition of AI Traders Live, focusing on the Dow 30 Index constituents. Join me next time for more artificial intelligence trading. Bye for now.